Jake, you can start cooking, right? Let's go! Okay, of course. I already have an idea. I'll make the ready-made cake. A joke. All I need is a lid from the finished cake. Now, we take the nutty. It's strawberry. Pour it into the mold. And now we distribute it over the entire shape to make a thin layer. Oh yeah, we're waiting for everything to freeze now. And look, I've got a great mold right here. Made out of chocolate. Filled with cream. Next, we put the strawberries. And now the layer of cake. Now you need to make several layers like this. Great! Turn it over and… Hey, Grandma, she's always sleeping. Wake up! Oh, what is it, Chloe? Oh, you're right. Your cake is gorgeous. Now let me decorate mine. I made some pigtails out of mastic. And look, it's like it's needed. Well, now I'm gonna need a mold. And I'm gonna pour chocolate in it. I'm gonna make some balloons out of chocolate and cream. They're going to be amazing. Look. Put them right on top. And fill with mastic as well. And see? This is just like a knitting kit.
Oh yeah, I'm going to make a masterpiece for a baby too.
You can't make a cake better than me. Grandma always cooks the best. We need to pretend.
What? Grandma got sick. She needs medical help urgently. I had a first aid kit here somewhere. I'll help you, Grandma. Hold on. Ah, she resurrected. Ah, zombies!
Great. Now let's spoil the chef's cake a little. Just like this.
Grandma, what have you done?
Delicious.
Oh, we'll have to fix it. We put the form on top and fill it with Nutella. Next, decorate the Skittles around the cake. Oh yeah, how beautiful. Now it remains only to raise the form. Ooh, and look at that. The Nutella spreading appetizingly. Now some sprinkles on top. And Lissy, it's time to try.
Hooray! Cakes! I love them! I want to start with this one. Ooh, it looks like a knitted one. But it's a real cake. So delicious! I love it! It's tasty! It's time to try the next cake. Whoa, there's so many Skittles here. I love that! Chocolate cakes are also a delight. And what's there? Let's see. Wow, this is a Nutella cake! Whoa, just look at that! So much cream and Nutella! Yummy! Wonderful! I think that my sister won! Yes, I knew my cake was the best! Yoo-hoo! Whoa, what a cool game. It's so much fun. Do you want to play it too? This is a multi-do sword game. It can already be downloaded via Google Play and App Store. Download and play with us. We're gonna have so much fun. Now I want popcorn. You can start making it.
The perfect dish. Let's start by making popcorn ourselves. To do this, we put the corn in foil and then a lot of Skittles and marshmallows. Just like that. Oh yeah. Now we're shutting down everything neatly. Great. We put it in the oven. Yeah. Catching! I got it! We sent it to the oven! It takes a little time and the popcorn will come back to me. Whoa.
Ah!
Take care! I got it!
Oh, Chef, you need to be careful.
It's alright. I have the popcorn. Now we open it. Whoa, yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. And that is what I needed. The popcorn is ready. Oh, good.
Oh, well, I know what my Lindsay wants. Put the grains in a frying pan with butter. Cover with sugar. Now we mix it all up, like that. And we're waiting for everything to be ready. What a fragrance already. Well, cover it with a lid so not a single popcorn escapes. I got the perfect sweet popcorn right here. Oh, good. Wonderful. Chloe, what are you doing? Well, I have another way. I'm gonna put grains in the waffle iron. Now, fill everything with Nutella. And then, I'm going to close the lid. We're waiting a bit. Oh yeah, it turned out to be a popcorn waffle. Lindsay says try it. Wow, just what I wanted. Ooh, is it a waffle? Interesting. I haven't eaten popcorn yet like that. Yummy. Okay, what should I try now? Yeah, let's see this classic popcorn. Ooh, it should be delicious. Super. Ooh, and let's see what has been prepared for me here. Ooh, I'm shocked. How delicious the popcorn stretches. What is it here? Marshmallows and Skittles. Delicious. Oh yeah, the chef definitely won. He has prepared the best popcorn.
Oh yeah, the victory is deservedly mine. I did it to 100%.
Now I want some scrambled eggs. It's easy, hurry up and cook it. Of course, honey. There will be no problem. Well, let's start with an egg. Throw it up. I'm catching it! Hooray! I got it. Now we fry it. Ooh, and you need to add some salt. We pour some salt. Oh no! Uh-oh. Fine. Oops, too much of it. Not a big deal, right? Let's remove it all. Okay. Now we put it on the plate. And ready. Cool. Yeah, Chloe will not really like it. We crack some eggs. 3 is enough. Pour some milk and mix it all with a whisk. Now pour it into a frying pan and cover it with a lid, of course. We don't want it to splash. Now, it's time to get it out already. Great. We're gonna cool it down on the plate. Good. Now let's add some greens. Oh, that's so cute. Now let's boil some eggs. It's time to get them out. Oh, perfect. We clean it up. A perfect boiled egg. Now we make chickens out of them. Oh, so cute. Beauty. Lindsay will be delighted.
Not bad, Grandma, but my dish will be better. Yeah, you'll see. To begin with, I boil the eggs. Perfect. Now I'm going to cut them in half. I've already fried the cutlets, and I'm putting them together on egg burger. Half an egg, cutlet, lettuce, tomato, cover with another half of egg, and some sesame seeds on top. See? Perfect egg burger.
Oh, well, it's your choice. Bon appetit. On time. I'm so hungry. Let's start with this. It looks strange. Oh, they're so salty. Ew. I don't like that. Okay, let's try these cute chicks. Aw. Good. Quite good. Whoa, and what is that? An egg burger? Oh, so delicious. I love it. Wonderful. Chef definitely won.
Yeah, the second victory's mine. I'm the best.
Hello, Ben. Are you hungry?
Oh yeah, I'm so hungry I could eat a whole cow. I'll choose what I want now. Let's see, what's on the menu? Ooh, honey jelly, I've never tried this before.
Oh, wow. Great choice, Ben. Let's start. Oh, yeah. I'll make honey jelly with chocolate crispy balls. They're very tasty. Look at that. I have it in milk, white, and dark chocolate. Cool. Let's try it with white chocolate. Delicious. All the bowls are very tasty. Yummy. Now I have a brilliant idea how I can put the bowls into a bottle. It's going to be a lot of fun. Oh yeah, I'll run the balls down the slide. It's going to be so much fun. Just look at how cool they fall right into the bottle. Haha, that's so funny. I need to fill the whole bottle with chocolate balls. It worked. Oh, good job, honey. Well, I decided to make jelly with lemons. They are so refreshing. Lots of lemons. Just look how bright and fresh the lemon is. I can't resist. Oh, they're too sour, though. Okay, Chef, what are you doing? Well, I, of course, have the most brilliant idea. I'll have jelly with marmalade. I have big marmalade bears, and in an easy movement, the marmalade bears turn out to be in the bottle. Look, that's it. Now we put the head of the marmalade bear on top. The marmalade is so delicious and soft. Now I need honey. We pour honey on all marmalade bears, lots of honey to make it tastier. Ben will definitely appreciate the idea. He loves marmalade. Just like that, almost finished. I brought my homemade honey. Ben loves it very much. I personally take care of every bee in the apiary to get the perfect honey in the end. Chloe, what have you come up with? Wow, that's delicious, Grandma, but I also want to make myself a cool jelly with honey. So I squeezed the honey out of the honeycomb. I took it from Grandma's apiary. It will be delicious. Put some honeycomb in a jar. Ugh, they're so delicious too. Chloe, what are you doing, honey? Well, I'm done. I closed the bottle. It worked. Now I need to freeze everything so that the jelly is appetizing and squeezed out and stretched. More freezing. Now I don't need the spray. Bye! Hey, why can't I throw it away? Oh no, it's frozen to my hand. Sorry, Grandma. Oh, what is it? Oh no, Grandma's frozen. How did it happen? I need to try to touch her. But not with my bare hands. Well, she'll unfreeze at some point. Okay, meanwhile, my jelly is ready. While the chef is ready, Grandma is also ready, and even Chloe has coped with the task. It remains to go for a tasting. Ben, try it soon.
Whoa, how cool! I have 3 whole honey jellies, but one with lemon. Ew. Oh, and this looks unusual. What kind of bowls are there? We should try. Remove the lid and try. Mmm, delicious. These are chocolate bowls. But only all the hands are covered in honey. Well, that's delicious too. Now let's try lemon honey jelly. Open it up. Squeezing. Ugh, how sour. And who just came up with the idea of making honey jelly with lemon? Very sour. It's impossible to eat. Ugh. It remains to try the last jelly. It's with marmalade bears. Let's evaluate the taste. Mmm, that's so delicious. I really like it. I definitely give the victory to the chef's jelly. Yeah, you're the winner. Of course the victory's mine. There was no doubt because I'm a professional chef. There's so much on the menu, but I don't want any of it. Oh, that's right. I want ice cream. Make me an ice cream. Wow, good choice, Ben. Your grandmother knows a lot about good ice cream. They don't do that anymore. I need strawberries. I picked it from my garden in the morning. Pour it in the blender. Now we are whipping everything up. It turned out to be fresh of strawberries. We pour it into ice cream molds, of course, and this is enough for exactly 3 ice creams. Great. Okay, I forgot something. Oh, that's right. I need to add some fresh milk. Pour a little milk into each mold. It's going to be delicious. Add some more kiwi, of course. Cut the kiwi and grate it 3 times. Just like that. Now we level the kiwi into the shapes. Now the ice cream is definitely ready. It remains to insert the sticks. Ta-da! Wow, Grandma! I will make my own ice cream in the form of rolls on a special board. It is very cold, so everything will freeze on it. Pour out some milk. Now a little Fanta. It will give a pleasant color and berry flavor. It's a great drink. The whole bottle is enough. Mmm, delicious. Pour it out. Just like that. Now let's add mini Oreos. It's so chocolatey and delicious that Ben will go crazy. It remains to mix everything into a single mass using 2 blades. Oh yeah, just like that. Okay, and this is perfect. See? Oh wow, how cool, Chef! And Grandma has a great ice cream and I haven't done anything yet. Well, how do I make ice cream? Well, why would I cook it? I can buy ice cream for the ice cream man. Hey, hello. I'll have 1 ice cream. Okay, it'll be done. Here you go. It looks so delicious. I wish I could show Ben. Bye-bye. What a cute ice cream. I have everything ready. Chef, have you finished it too? Almost. All that remains is to roll up the ice cream rolls and pour the strawberry syrup over it. Lots of strawberry syrup. Let's put the blueberries out too on the top. It goes well with ice cream. Everything is ready. Whoa, creative ice cream serving. Whoa, Chef, I have everything ready too. I put my ice cream on the plate and decorate with strawberry. Since everyone has already made ice cream, it's time to show to Ben before the ice cream melts. Let's try it. Whoa! Everything looks so delicious! This is ice cream cone and it's so cute and it looks normal, but look at these rolls! Let me start with them. Okay, let's evaluate the taste. It has such a pleasant berry flavor and Oreo crunch is great. Now, let's try ice cream from Grandma. Oh, cool. It looks like watermelon, but tastes like strawberry. So delicious, but it's cold. Ooh. Okay, the only one left is this one. It looks so beautiful and unusual. Let's try it. This is the most perfect ice cream. I love it so much. Yeah, this is great. This is definitely the winner. Oh, really? Thank you, brother. My ice cream is the best. Woohoo! I haven't had enough yet. What else is possible here? Ooh, I found what I want the most. Make some scrambled eggs for me. I'm waiting for your recipe. Whoa, I can do that. My mother taught me how to fry eggs. We take an egg and break it with a knife. Hey, why is it not working? Strange. The egg is too strong. Well, I don't know. Everything is crashing here. Like this, it worked. Now put the yolk separately in the pan. And pour the protein separately. Okay. Add some veggies. Oh, it will turn out great. An egg will definitely not be able to resist a hammer. What? But how is that? The egg should have broken. Oh, Chef, are your eggs breaking? Oh, no problem. I need a croissant. Everyone loves croissants. Cut the croissant lengthwise and set aside. Now, we take the cheese. With mold, of course. It has a wonderful aroma. Do you agree with me? Oh, wow, what a steak. Where did this come from? Oh, yeah, you're right. Terrible. Chef, what are you cooking? Oh, it smells terrible, but it won't interfere with my cooking. I will sprinkle fried eggs with some sesame seeds and spread parsley. Does it remind you of anything? Oh, what is that? Oh, no. Chef, come on, stop it. You can remove the cheese. It smells bad. You simple amateurs will not understand the whole exquisite fragrance. Ben will definitely appreciate it. Grate the cheese on a croissant, that's enough. And now we break the egg. Just like that. We throw it and break the shell perfectly with a knife. The egg on the croissant. Great. Now we need to put it in the oven for some time. That's it. Now we're waiting for full cooking. Yes. Oh, it looks delicious. But this way is easier for me. My scrambled eggs are ready. It remains for Ben to try them. Whoa, Grandma, your scrambled eggs are awesome. I would have eaten them. Well, I came up with this. I can definitely break an egg with dynamite. We put it down and wait. The egg is definitely mocking me. There's not even a crack on it. I can't make scrambled eggs. What should I do? Oh, baby, I don't know. Chef, how are you doing? Well, it's okay. We pull out the croissant with an egg. Delicious. Everything is ready. Well, since everyone has prepared a dish for Ben, except for Chloe. Chloe, don't cry. Maybe Ben will appreciate it too. Let's go to the tasting. Come on. Oh, I'm predicting a delicious lunch. Why is there just an egg lying here? This is strange. Is it boiled? Hey, it's raw egg. Chloe, have you decided to prank me? I will not forgive this. Ugh. You definitely won't win. Okay, what should I try now? The croissant looks delicious. Let's try it. Ew, it smells bad. Okay, I'll shut my nose. Maybe it will help. Ugh, what a disgusting thing. The cheese is so terrible. I don't like it. Ugh. No. It's time for the last scrambled eggs. Oh, it looks delicious. I hope it will taste delicious too. Let's cut off a piece. Oh, I can't eat with a fork and a knife. Why do they even need them if you have hands? Okay, it's so convenient to eat with your hands and it's so delicious. I like it. Grandma, you win. Cool. Oh, thank you, honey. I really appreciate it.